Hello, my name is Scott Parker. This video is a preview of 3 different courses that I teach. One is how to create light plots and paperwork starting by folding pasted paper to figure out the beam angle of the lights. The second one is on how to use gel books and pick and color and a flashlight and that sort of thing. And then the third is more for the technical minded person in how to take a flashlight and then some readily available supplies like a sheet of tinfoil and to create circuits and understand electrical flow using a couple of batteries and a light bulb from a flashlight. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, get in touch and we'll set up some workshops for you. Have a great day. What are the 4 most popular lens barrels? 19, 26, 36, and 50. I'd like you to take this piece of paper. What is this angle here? 90. Let's fold this piece of paper over and make a triangle. I'd like you to take this piece of paper and hold it up without poking yourself in the eye, like this underneath your eye. 22.5. So if we do the same thing, we hold this up. Now if we combine these, we can make a combination of different lights together. So I have my 45, got my 33 3/4, I've got my 22.5, and I have my 11 1/4. And to get to the other side of the stage, we'd mix a 50 and a 36 degree. But look at all that extra light that I'm getting. That extra coverage I don't need, because remember that a lot of this is going to be wasted height-wise. Okay? If we have the height going here, we're going to lose a lot over the height of the people. There are a lot of days of walking around with a flashlight and a gel book and shining the light on your various objects, whether you had model pieces or Lego pieces or costume swatches or simply white paper to figure out what the colors were going to do and how they're going to mix. So what I do is I cut out pieces of swatch and I tape them to the back of an index card. And I come up with my color palettes this way. So I can shine it through the index card and I don't have any spill on my subject, whatever subject it is. I take a 3x5 index card, fold it in half, and I simply cut angle like that. Oh, and I do 3 of them, because 3 will fit on a card. Equivalent, a close match from Lee says 61%. A close match to the blue from Lee says 34%. That's 32, and this is 65. The primary blue from Roscoe says 9%. So in theory, and again, this is the grand scheme of things. In theory, if this only has 9% of transmission, only 9% of the light is coming out. If you have one light without any color in it, and with a plain flashlight, I'm going to cut a strip of tinfoil. Okay. Tinfoil. Yep, okay. Take apart the flashlight. You got the batteries. Take out the bulb. Minus, plus, minus. With the tinfoil to the lamp connected to there. Okay, so this was an in-series run. All the volts, the current was flowing in one direction. What we're doing now is we're taking these 2 batteries and we're connecting them like so, obviously, as you've seen, plus and minus. And since these ends are connected, if we had the 2 batteries were 3 volts added together. Okay, anyway, the important number there is the 2.4 volts. That's why when the 2 1.5 volt batteries are in series, it's super bright because you're pushing 3 volts through a 2.4